So,
for my work, I wear boots.
My boots were wearing down. I got some boots from a friend of mine, a really good friend. He let me have some of the boots that he was done wearing.
And they're Danner boots. And I'd never worn Danner boots before, but I thought they were really nice.
and so this time around, I decided to pick out a pair of Danner boots for myself.
Give them a try from the beginning of getting the boots. So
that's what this box is my new Danner boots, so we're gonna unbox them.
All right.
So these are the style number 17321, Quarry 400g. These are composite tip toes, so they're not steel toes, these are composite tips, so let's see. Okay.
So the packing paper's like, kind of like a map.
and there it is.
It's a good looking boot. And then here's the other one.
Alright, so the inside is Gore-Tex. It's 3M Thinsulate.
With insulation, so it's water resistant.
And they weigh 400 grams.
They're actually really light. I love that they are made in the USA.
It does say it has some imported materials.
But they are made in the USA.
3 stitches. See that? On these parts. 2 stitches here, 2 stitches. It looks like this is just like a beauty stitch, but the 3 stitches right there, that's really good. 3, 3, 2, 2 around. And then, so that's what it looks like. Look at this one, boots. Laces.
Oh, there's stuff in this one.
Alright, so this is just like the little care manual, I guess. 1932, made in the USA. Talks about warranty, some of the quality stuff. Oh, and even gives instructions on recrafting.
I guess they probably, if you ship them the boots back for work on them, if they break down or whatever.
Looks like they offer a 365-day warranty.
So if anything happens in the first year, they're covered.
Okay. Looks like these are the tongue things that you can add, I guess. Just like that. So you run that through your laces and give you a little flippy thing. Oh. The inspection tag, so it's inspected by number 101. Thank you, number 101. Let's see if there's nothing else. Okay. It says Vibram, oil and slip resisting.
Well, let's put them on.
That's comfortable. Not too heavy. Let's lace one up.
I think I'm gonna do that.
Well, they're definitely heavier than my shoe.
That's nice. So I'll probably get a good 3 years out of these.
That's awesome.
Huh? I think I'm gonna really like them. I give them a 100%.
Good job, Danner.
Thanks for watching.